Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Curly Sue 91 and today I'm going to walk you through how I stretch out my curls or how I stretch out my wash and goes. And right now I'm rocking a wash and go which I did with the Texture ID styling cream, and I just want a little more of a stretched out look, so that's what I'm gonna do. So if this is what you came to see, then stay tuned. Alright, so we just gonna get right into it. Ain't got no time to waste. So what was I gonna say? Oh, so I usually use the Ouchless scrunchies for this, but I don't have any more. Like, I ran out and ain't nobody got the time to go look for it. So I'm just gonna use these because I have so many of these. I'm gonna use these in this video. Okay. So the first thing I do is I separate my hair in kind of like 6 sections, but not with a comb because you don't want to interfere with the curls. So the first thing I do, I want one in the middle for sure. So I just try to make a middle part without disturbing my curls too much. And then I take the scrunchie and I act like I'm actually, putting it in. And then I keep on tying it around like this. Until I run out, or until it runs out of elasticity, and then I will use another one and do the same thing, but I don't want to touch the ends. So you want the ends to remain nice and curly, so you don't want to touch the ends. So I usually leave my ends out like this, and then any extra elasticity I just go back down. And that's number one. Looking like alfalfa. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the front. Yep. And I'm going to do the same thing. Gonna tie it around. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna go to bed and then take it out in the morning. See you.
7 hours later.
Hey guys, so it's the next morning and I'm ready to take these out because nobody about to go outside looking like a freak show, Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, go ahead and put that down in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, then I hope you consider to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.